Assalamu alaikum. I'm gonna explain how to import Autocad file into Archicad. Let's check the drawing in Autocad. Here we have the drawing, the dimension. It is important to put the dimension to reshape the size in Archicad. So here we have in vertical 14 meter and we have horizontally 16 meter. Before we import it, we should close the file in Autocad. Then we're gonna go to the file, interoperability, and merge. Select the file and then open. Click OK. We'll put it here and at the center. And we'll select the drawing to ungroup it. Edit, ungrouping. And then we should change the size because the dimension is not the same as in Autocad. We'll click Edit and then Reshape, Resize, click OK, and then here we click from the point to the other point, and then we write the dimension 40,000 because the dimension in Archicad is millimeter, not meter. Let's check the dimensions. It is now same. Thank you for watching.